Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 12th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I started off on the daily because I wanted to show you that the pound yen is very close to a break of structure. Now, it hasn't done it yet, but it's definitely beyond the 78% of this move down, which means I think that even if it does go start to pull back, it very likely is now in an uptrend for this wave C of wave B, probably going at least to the 78%. I think someplace around the 202 area. So keeping that in mind, going back down all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, I would be recommending longs right now on the 1 hour, but I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long after such an impulsive move up. I would only be looking to go long at the end of three wave moves. Something like this, one, two, three waves down. Even this right here was a one, two, three wave down. This right here was kind of a one, two, three wave down. So I would be waiting for three-wave pullbacks in order to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. You definitely want to be patient in these type of situations because if you try to go long now, what's more than likely to happen is it'll go down to make a big old pullback and stop you out. So be patient, wait for a three-wave pullback, and continue to go long for what I think is a wave C of wave B on the much, much higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.